Power is a professional diesel generator manufacturer in Shanghai, China, and now we are OEM partner of Cummins. This is 1,500 kVA Cummins engine generator set to be shipped for 2025. With specially designed GB Power Cummins engine generator set can work well at 50 degrees, and we have received good feedback from our clients in Qatar and Saudi Arabia. Here is the production line of Cummins engine generator set. One is also 1,500 kVA Cummins engine generator set to be shipped to Dubai. And just 4 pieces are 1,250 kVA to be shipped to Saudi Arabia. With Cummins global warranty, all Cummins engine generator sets you bought from us can get global service, and the spare part is easy to be get. If your projector is at high temperature, 50 degrees, Cummins engine generator set is a good choice for you. Now let's check our container. The tanking of our container is balloon tanking, and the rope for plate design which is fireproof and more reliable. We will also build the double industrial silencer. The base frame is also double and separate fuel tanks. All container types is designed by our own technical department, which assumes the cost is good.
Power your good future, power your comfortable life.